Welcome back to the ChimSpect app for detailed chimney inspections training. This is part 2. In part 1, you should have already signed up for our service, and now you want to know how to set up your dashboard and activate your devices. Open your browser, put in the email that you signed up for the service with, and the password that you chose. Click Sign In. This will bring you to the dashboard. You're going to want to click on Profile. My profile is already set up. From this page, you can change your password if you need to. You can also change your subscription. So if you need to add or subtract devices, this is where you're going to add or subtract devices in your paid subscription. Here you will enter your company name as you want it to appear on the cover page of your report. Company address, company email, company phone number. You're also going to want to choose your company logo file. Our software will automatically size that appropriately for your cover page on your report. The next section is the disclaimer. In your orange box towards the bottom of the page, there is probably just some grayed out text there. That means that our default disclaimer is what's going to show up in your report. Go ahead and use that, see if you like it. If you want to change it, we've made it very easy for you to do that. Any place that you want to put in information such as the customer's name, address, telephone number, your company name, the inspector's name, these items are called placeholders. So as you type out your document, you can add the customer's name. On mine, it starts out as ownership. This report is exclusively the property of, and you'll see the placeholder for our company, placeholder for the customer's name, and this is going to automatically populate on the disclaimer page, which will be the second page of every report that you create. Below that is box. It says comment, assist, consent. I would appreciate it if you put a check mark in that box. This allows us to look at and even collect some of the comments that you add to your library for your chimney inspections. When you've done that, press save and go to the back to the top of the page. The second thing you're going to want to do is click on devices. This is where you're going to activate your device. You will see I have several devices activated. You're going to want to click on add a device. In device management, this is where you're going to put the inspector's name. You might also want to put his credentials. I would recommend that you also say that it is that credential means certified chimney sweep. A lot of people don't know what CSIA is. You'll put your inspector's email address. And below that you'll see activation code. On your device, if you have recently downloaded the app and tried to open it, it's going to say activation code required. This is the activation code that you're going to put in. You don't need to worry about capitalization. The default in that box is going to be capital letters. So you'll put that activation code in your device, whether it's Android, Apple. Click Save. It'll say device saved successfully. I'm going to X out of that box, and I'm going to tap back right next to the Save button. In the event that you're in the field using your device and you have a poor internet connection, if you try to upload a device or upload an inspection or download your profile, it may ask you to put an activation code in. The reason it's doing this because your device is trying to reach out to the server and shake hands with the server. If your internet connection is poor, it's not going to be able to, poor or not there, it's not going to be able to shake hands with our server. Your device is going to think that it's not activated, so it's going to say activation code required. If that happens, the next time that you have a good internet connection, go to your dashboard, click on the device that had the problem, and then you'll have a place where it says reissue activation code. Tap reissue activation code. There's the new code to put in and activate your device. Do this for as many devices that you need. Once you've completed that part, I would recommend that you go to the app. And in the app, you'll notice right next to the ChimSpect logo at the top right-hand corner, there's 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines to open up a new menu. Right below those 3 horizontal lines is an arrow down with a smiley face under it. This is our download profile icon. Click on it and it'll say update company information, logo, and disclaimer. Click on download and continue. This is going to bring in the information from your profile so that it will be populated into every inspection report that this device uses. Also, if you update any of your comment assist libraries, you'll need to do the same thing. Click on those 3 horizontal lines and click the download button. This concludes this session for the ChimSpect app for detailed chimney inspections. Our next video, we will cover the use of the app and also setting up your own custom comment library. Thank you.